Welcome back to our YouTube channel Radhivesh Finance. And in Radhivesh Finance, we are creating content. Since last whole year, we are creating content for hot equity, and that's nothing but we have given number of equity analysis in the last whole year. So this year we are completing 1 year in a hot equity and passionate about creating such a content where probably may people like it, and we are inviting all of them to give us a feedback on the hot equity series. Basically, I'm a big thankful to all those subscriber who has subscribed our YouTube channel since last whole year. Probably it may worth for you, so that's the reason you have subscribed it. Yes, you can share our YouTube channel link to other people. So yeah, but when we speak about the truth, probably few people only like it. Yeah, I know that everybody is intelligent on my YouTube channel who has subscribed my YouTube channel. I sincerely say thankful to all of them, all those viewer and our YouTube audience who might be sometimes subscribe, sometime unsubscribe it. We are not responsible for any up and down in the business. Business is handled by number of entrepreneur and those only doing that. I mean, see, whatever our target has delivered for hot equities, that is based on just analysis, okay? So, British Finance will tell you which color of dress suits you. That's called analysis on your fashion trend. But the thing is that if you think that if you subscribe, the Nasdaq goes up. If you unsubscribe, Nasdaq goes down. It's not like that, okay? So I must say, use your brain when you do the analysis. And market is always at risk. Basically, see, if you are investing into the market, that will goes up and down as your business strategy get collapse or it will boost up. Okay, it depends on the company management rather than the person who gives the analytics, who gives a target to that company. So, anyways, guys, within this week, we are going to deliver you the Bridgewage Finance talk about hot equity. I believe it. This is the second time we are giving a number of hot equity analysis, that is Intel, HP, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and AMD. Probably in the last whole year since 2020 2024, we already given this analysis. You can go and check out in the description. There is the link of with respective particularly video of that particular equity of the last year. So you can see whatever we have given quarterly, monthly, or yearly based target probably has achieved up to certain limit, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, up to certain limit it can fall, it can goes up. It depends on the strategy of the company rather than the strategy of Radhivesh Finance. So it's all about, we are heartily invited to our YouTube channel to know the analysis and speak about your feedback. Speak about your feedback in the sense of what major thing we can change on our YouTube channel. I have seen that number of YouTubers from top apps usually do gives the tips on that daily basis, that five, these are the five share where you can invest it, but we are not giving that. Yes, because we believe that you have to think about the company journey and the journey of Radhivesh Finance. Yeah, guys, apart from that, we are having another YouTube channel is cryptocurrency based analysis, and that is the Crypto Blush Flush Flush Crypto Blush. you can check out and subscribe that our YouTube channel Crypto Blush, because if you see Ethereum, BTC, and many other number of cryptocurrency has probably achieved their target as till the July ending, I guess so. And if you think that any cryptocurrency has not achieved yet, then you can make a remark as a feedback on our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Not thank you. We can speak about all shares and their collapse. I mean their downtrending target and uptrending target for this quarter or for this whole year. You can consider it, because company strategy, whatever we are going to suggest it, that is for the long term rather than the short term. Are you believing in us? I guess at least 159 people have a trust with us. Trust can't exchange with gold or BTC. I guess number of people will say, yeah, I will change my trust with the BTC, but nobody's offering BTC to me. Thank you. So welcome to AMD. That is nothing but Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation. So Intel and AMD both are having a strategy to beat with each other in case of IT market. Without this both devices, both manufacturer, you can't build it. Okay, your IT business. So have you ever find any processor which has not included from none of this company? Yeah, Apple is there, but frankly speaking, if you are into the budgetary, then trust me, you need it. So anyways guys, I guess so AMD we have recommended around somewhere some 170, I guess so, was our target in the last whole year, or 200 USD, I guess so. The link is the description, but AMD has not achieved it, I guess so. So you can check our previous video, and in that case AMD has probably the stock may fall down around, it can goes up to 130 USD, and suppose this stock will go above, it can touch up to 210 USD, because I guess last whole year we have recommended a lot of things about AMD, but probably I don't know whether it will goes up or not, because our analysis said all these companies which is a chip base doing a business, they may be overvalued by few of the print medias. So are you believing in us, or are you believing in a print media? Let me know into the comment. Yes, print media also probably do much more research than us, but inside according to Vridhivesh Finance, what this AMD stock will boost it into the market. Yeah, after 220 up target or minus 130 target, you can come to us and ask us what will be the next target for AMD Advanced Machine Devices. Are you believing in us, or are you believing in AMD strategy? Yes, what that AMD Cloud had billions in AI revenue, and Bank of America is just as targeted. So we will not get any objections on Bank of America's ideas. Talk about tone, but the thing is that as our analysis speak about AMD will not go ahead more than 330 USD, but it can goes above 230 USD next 6 months down the line, and it's a challenging one. Next 6 months you have to hold the stock. Are you believing in us or not? I don't know, but if it is goes down by below 150, stay invested. Probably this will give it a new opportunity to book the profit, and that's it guys. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. And see, I hope so. You enjoy the content creation for a hot equity, which I'm delivering in this since last whole year. Yeah, I have promised to all of you that I will give it to you hot equity. It is available on every weekend. But the fact is that if I'm going to give it to you hot equity analysis, it's probably not worth. So I have given the timeline and the period for a year, for a month, for not for a month, for 3 months, for quarterly results, or for quarterly, or for monthly, or for 6 months. Say business do basically business is like sometimes up, sometimes down, that we can't say anything. And that's the reason we do business analysis over here laterally when we talk about any hot equity. And I really understand your passion, that you like our content creation probably. So let me know the feedback, that what we can deliver to the market in upcoming days. Yeah, we are not available on a daily basis, because every day making video is time consuming. And I'm a big thanks to all my subscriber who probably study a lot. I know that all qualified guys only subscribe our YouTube channel rather than the random people, I guess so. So I extend sincere to all my viewers that to be part of our journey of our YouTube channel Riddhi Vij Finance. Hopefully it will be successful one day, I guess so. And you will be succeeded quarterly basis with us, or yearly basis with us, I guess so. So if you wanted to invest into the equity, we are not going with the mutual fund or something. As of now, we are going with the hot equity. Means equity is like one time, short time, long term. Depends on your mood and depends on your budget too. I guess so. So you can go and check our hot equity detail, whatever we have given in the last whole year. The analysis probably up to certain limit, I guess around 70% it has been succeeded, or 50% at least it has been succeeded, I guess so. So do you agree with us? Then subscribe it and share it with your colleagues who's interested to invest into the market, guys. Yeah, this is all about what it's not a pitch about the it's not a pitch about something that we are completing first year of hot equity, I guess so. So let me know. I need to recheck when we started hot equity, because hot equity, I guess 2024 also I given some Tesla, no idea. Actually, 2024 I given, yeah, means year back only. Tesla was our first, I guess so. So, anyways, guys, everybody speak about Tesla, but the fact is that there are other equity, there are other market leaders is existing in the market. So, can you stay invested into them to book the profit on the short term gain or a long term position? It depends on your choices. Okay, we are not going to force you that how to get invested and where to get invested. That's it. It is all about what you want, where you want to grow, where and why you want to grow. I mean, women, specifically as women's, in terms of women's, they hardly do investment, I guess. Have you say 100 out of 1 women or 2 women get invested into the market, and their finances is also controlled by the main of family. At least in India it's happened, but I don't know about US. Probably women's also gets invested. So I must encourage to all women who should get invested into the market, book the profit, and have your independence or have your finance get stabilized. I guess so. But first study all the time. We are not a that much qualified person, as I'm not that much qualified who can give it to you perfect strategy to stay invested into the market. It's all about how, where, and where you want to really grow. I mean, your next generation should not have lack of money, as they are Gen Z right now doing a lot of Spending is the strategy of the current market situation. So we want you should spend in a right manner, right way, I guess so. So do you agree with our YouTube, our message? Then subscribe our YouTube channel or share with your friends too.